How to add video in Google Slides. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can add video in Google Slides, and this is how to go about it. The first step is to log in to your Google Slides page, all right, or just go to your web browser, type out Google Slides, and then you'll be able to log in into your Google Slides page. So once you're on this page, the next step is for you to click on blank presentation. And once you click on that, you'll be taken to the presentation page where you can go ahead and make your presentations and all of that. So on this page, you can see the title. The first thing to do is to, of course, change the title of the presentation to whatever you want to change it to. Then you have a toolbar where you can see options like file, edit, view, insert, format, slide, arrange, tools, extension, help. So once you can see this, just go ahead and click on the insert tab. Once you've done that, you'll see some options like image, text box, audio, video. So just click on video, and a small box will be displayed on the screen. I'm asking you to showcase where you'd like to add the video from. So you have two options here. You have YouTube and then you have Google Drive. So if you have YouTube, you can click on YouTube and then you can search for YouTube, or you can just paste a URL here, or you could just go to your Google Drive, and here you'll see your folders, and you would see the videos that has been uploaded into your folders. So by making use of this option, you would have to select the video that has been added to your Google Drive before. So if you've not added your video to your Google Drive, so ensure you've done that before you log in into your Google Slides. All right. And so once you've done that, the next step is to click on or locate where the video is located. All right. So once you can see the video, just click on it, and then by the bottom part of the box, by the right side, you'll see the option insert. So click on insert, and then you wait for it to be uploaded into your Google Drive. So this is it. Then you can go ahead and adjust it, the size, and you can also change the arrangement. You can move it to wherever you want it to be. Okay, you can even play it to see what you have to say, and that is it. So this is how you can add video to your Google Slides. Thank you for watching and have a good day.